Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to withdraw money from Fiverr to your bank account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in fiverr.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find dashboard, my business, growth and marketing, analytics. Right here, you're gonna find notifications, messages, help and resources, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and then once you click on your profile, here you're gonna find profile, refer a friend, settings, billing and payment, English. That means which language that you are selecting. Here you're gonna find your currency, and right here you're gonna find the logout option. So, for example, if you want to see your profile, click on your profile, and then right here you can update your profile. And if you click again on your profile picture, here you're gonna find billing and payments. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you're here, you're gonna find four sections: billing history, billing informations, available balances, and payment methods. So right here, you're gonna find your billing history. As you can see, guys, in my case, I have this message, no invoices yet, because I don't have any invoices yet. Here you're gonna find billing informations if you want to update your billing informations and save the changes from here. Here you're gonna find available balances. So there is the Fiverr balance and Fiverr credits. And right here you're gonna find payment methods. So make sure that you add a payment method so you can withdraw money from Fiverr to your bank account. Go ahead and click on add a payment method and then select credit or debit card. And then make sure you fill this form with your informations and then click on save so your payment informations are saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.